What does a 3D printer, screwdrivers, soldering irons, and cameras, and your phone have in common? This isn't a terrible joke. Find out this time on Hack 5. Hey everyone, Glitch here and welcome back to GlytchTips. Today we're going to be taking a look at USB-C power. Yes, that's what the whole intro thing was about. Recently, Deviant and I got into a discussion on the greatness of USB-C power when he showed me this awesome little USB-C rechargeable battery for video lights. These are really common, either Nikon or Canon type batteries, really large bricks that normally require a proprietary charger. These are aftermarket versions that we were talking about that have an included USB-C port, so you can either do pass-through power and power devices directly on USB-C, or you can run them, or you can just recharge them on USB-C. It's awesome because you no longer need to carry around a proprietary brick or some kind of adapter plate or anything. You can just use the same charger to use to charge your phone, your soldering iron, or your 3D printer, as you may have seen in a prior video of mine. Specifically today, I want to talk about this little guy. Now, this is a little thing called a USB-C PD trigger, PD standing for power delivery. As the name implies, its job is to trigger a USB-C power delivery brick to output a set amount of power, both voltage and amperage. USB-C is a complex specification, and this does all the heavy lifting for you. There are a bunch of different varieties, ones with settable voltages, or some like this one, which only trigger 20 volts output if your power supply is capable of it. And these things are great for using in projects. As I mentioned before, you can run 3D printers off them, and you use a little buck boost converter to get the right voltage out at 100 watts. You can run anything you want. And I just wanted to share that with you on this quick little glitch tip. I've used these things to modify drone battery chargers when I wanted one that ran on USB-C and there weren't any available yet. That's since been rectified, but that's not the point of this video. I've hacked the TS100 soldering iron with one of these to run my soldering iron on USB-C. Again, that's something you no longer need to do because the TS80P soldering iron already exists and has a USB-C input that takes both Quick Charge 3 specification and USB-C, so you can run it on virtually any USB-C power outlet. In my next video, which is the final part of my DIY spot welded battery series, you'll be seeing me charge a spot welded battery with one of these little modules. These things are so versatile and so useful that while I've used them in projects before and I've shared them before, I wanted to make a dedicated video on this little device. Now, I could show you how to integrate it and use it in a project. Like I said, I've done that before. This is just to give you an idea of what's out there and how they can be immensely useful for your DIY projects. Whether you're making a really cool looking cyber deck or whether you're modifying a 3D printer, whether you're converting an everyday device that has some awkward chunky power brick that you don't want to carry around, or whether you're just trying to run some LEDs and blinking lights off USB-C battery banks. These things are immensely useful and I can't recommend them enough. Every maker, every hacker should have some of these in their kit. And that about does it for this quick little glitch tip. If you have any questions or little details you are curious about, make sure to leave a comment down below, inspire some discussion, maybe inspire another glitch tip. Thank you all for watching. I've been Glitch. This has been Hack 5. Glitch out.
Thanks for supporting Hack 5. Find all our shows, community, and pen test products at hack5.org.
You all ask for more? I'm gonna bring you some more. Hopefully. That's pessimistic.